Well, the Lord's been on me for 2.5 years to give 10 white trucks to Israel, to make the Jews jealous by pricking other people's spirit, to give exorbitantly to the Jewish people, and most of all to show extravagant love to our daddy.
This is really about igniting, inspiring Canadians across this nation to love Israel.
That's right. That's right.
And to just not talk about it, but reflect action. And you want to travel across the country, every province, doing a series of many meetings, inspiring businessmen to give.
I want inspired people to give vehicles, real estate, great big check to bless God, to bless Israel, to show love to the Jewish people.
Jerry, it's going to be an honor working together with you to do our little itsy bitsy part in helping Canadians to smooth out the road.
So let's go do it.
Oh, I like it.